Hi subscribers and newcomers, today tuturuan ko kayo about sa Shopee Finds at paano umorder sa Shopee in my own way 2024. Ano nga ba ang Shopee? Also, look out for these promotions on on their platform, catch daily flash deals, play games to win Shopee prizes, or watch a Shopee live session with live stream exclusive deals. When you're ready to buy, Shopee platform enables you to do so simply and seamlessly. You can browse product ratings and reviews, make risk-free payments with Shopee guarantee, and track your products delivery hassle-free. To get started, browse our help center articles about shopping on Shopee to get started. Ngayon punta na tayo sa ating screen recording.
Gustong item. May search ko ay Bluetooth speaker big. Paborito kong Bluetooth speaker ay ang brand na
Tarin nyo
TNG.
na rin po yung number 2
Which is
natin.
legit. Mall TNG 5.0. Scroll down lang natin. Tingnan natin yung ratings and reviews. Tingnan natin yung features. Ang tinitingnan ko dito yung 1200 mAh, yung battery capacity. 172 millimeters. Yan, kulay. Pindot ko. Tingnan natin yung reviews. Review, tinesting ko pa kasi good quality at ganda din ang style, good sound quality at din kahit todo ang bilang ko na lahat ng functions matagal na malawat. Thank you po. Tingnan natin yung 1 star. 3 lang ang nagbigay nito. Sa inyo na lang guys yung kung natuturn off pa yun ng mga ratings niya, reviews, wag na kayong order. 4.7 ang ratings. Chat now. Kung may itatanong kayo sa seller, tanong lang. Add to cart kung gusto niyo nang lagay sa cart yung item nyo. Maghanap tayo ng variation. Kulay blue ang pinipili ko. Click add to cart. Go to cart icon. At i-place order natin. Click check out. I-invoice. Huwag nyo na dito guys, fill upan. Kasi kapag pinilapan nyo dito at wala kayong TIN ID, napipaid lang yan. Hindi kayo makaka-order. Wala nang COD na payment method. Skip nyo to guys. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Sige boy, fill up dyan. Tingnan natin kung saan ka abot. Email pa. Submit request. Invalid po. See? Lahat lang yan guys. Black pack na kayo. Voucher naman. Wala akong voucher. Hindi available, okay na lang. Baliw talaga ako sa Cbank pa yung payment method ko. Wala pang laman yung Cbank ko. Ano ang electronics protection? Kung click out nyo, matatanggal yung babayaran nyo sa electronics protection. Ano nga ba ang electronics protection? Click lang natin yung learn more. Electronic protection. What is electronics protection? Or protection plan that protects your application from accidental and liquid damage, covers up to 100% of your product price for 12 months from date of purchase. Electronics protection service benefits: accidental and liquid damage coverage, covers damage to eligible electronic device due to sudden intentional. Ang bilis mo, di ko na mabasa lahat. Frequently asked questions: how much is the price of the electronics protection service for my eligible electronic device? The price of electronics protection service varies depending on the purchase price of eligible electronic device on the profit platform, and may view the price of the checkout page when eligible. Click X. Place order mo pa. Hindi ka na natuto. Ang voucher. Place order. Tagal mag-loading. Hintay lang. Payment failed. Pending payment. Tingnan nyo pa sa my purchases. To see is to believe. Maya click ko yung item para change payment method. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Change payment method. May Shopee Pay pero kaya nyo mag-cash in. Cbank is pay later. Payment center or e-wallet. Link bank account. Credit card, online banking. At walang COD. Ship, makikita nyo dito kung napack na yung item natin. To receive kung malapit natin matanggap yung ating parcel o matatanggap. completed kapag na-order receive na natin ang parcel. Bali, nandito na tayo sa ating shortcut ng order. Ang Bison BC696 Macaron wall charger Type C. Bali, gawin nyo lang yung ginawa natin mag-check out. Tapos punta sa yan, place order na. Cash on delivery na kasi. See? My purchases. Tingnan natin. Yan. To pay na siya. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell palagi kayong updated sa aking videos about tutorial vlog and unboxing. Happy weekend guys. Thanks for watching.